Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start video meetings in Gather. First, open Gather in your web browser and sign in to your account. After logging in, open your workspace. As you can see, I am already inside my Gather office. If this is your first time using Gather, your browser may ask for permission to use your camera and microphone. Make sure to click Allow, because these permissions are required for video meetings. Right now, I am the only person inside this workspace, so an actual video meeting is not starting. This is completely normal. Gather only starts a video conversation when another team member joins the same space and comes close to your avatar or enters the same meeting area. When another person joins, Gather automatically opens the video conversation. You don't need to create a meeting link or press a separate Start Meeting button. During the meeting, you can use the controls at the bottom of the screen to turn your microphone on or off, enable or disable your camera, and manage your conversation. If needed, you can also switch to Meeting View for a larger and more comfortable video call experience. One of the best features of Gather is that meetings happen naturally. As people move closer together, the conversation begins automatically. When you walk away from the other person, the video meeting ends automatically. This makes Gather feel more like a real office where conversations start naturally as coworkers meet each other. So even though no video call appears in this demonstration because there is only one participant, this is exactly how the feature works. Once another member joins your workspace, the video meeting will start automatically when both avatars are close to each other, and that's how you can start video meetings in Gather. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.